Want to expand your social media reach by adding your Twitter account link on Facebook profile? I'm Emily, and in this tutorial, I'll walk you through the steps to add Twitter link on Facebook. Let's get started. First, open Twitter. Then tap on your profile picture at the top left. Then note down your username. Next, open Facebook. Tap on the hamburger icon at the top right. Then tap on your profile. Here, tap on Edit Profile next to Add to Story. Scroll all the way down, then tap on Edit next to Links at the bottom. Now tap on Add Social Link. Tap on Platform, then select Twitter. Now for the username, type in your username that you noted down. Then tap Done. Then tap on Save at the top right. And this is how you add Twitter link to Facebook. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.